As the world gets more complex and uncertain, leadership today is almost always some kind of leap into the unknown. And it's one that we have to navigate together, because finding the best solutions requires a diversity of different perspectives. Globally, there's a consensus from research institutions and businesses that there's one core skill that really enables us to succeed and thrive in these times, and that is creativity. Creatorship is about supporting you to develop the creative confidence to express your best ideas, work together with others to develop them and put them into action, and developing the leadership skills to make things happen even in constantly shifting circumstances. We are inviting together participants from across the country and across different sectors and disciplines to work together to create a diverse training experience in which you'll learn as much from each other and collaborating together as you will from us. If you're curious, click through and we hope to see you there.